Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of three beautiful daughters. I know firsthand how heavy life feels when you're broke, when every bill feels like a freaking mountain, and every decision feels like survival. Most people tell you to just budget better or work harder, but nobody talks about the emotional weight that comes with being broke. In this video, I want to share how I started managing life differently when I had nothing, and how that shift helped me build a real path toward financial freedom. The mindset shift. When you're broke, you're not just fighting a financial battle, you're fighting a mental one. It's not about just what's in your wallet, it's about what's in your head. The turning point for me came when I realized I was managing my struggle, not solving it. Once I stopped accepting barely getting by as normal, I started looking for better ways to create income instead of waiting for raises or overtime. Practical actions that built stability. Here's what actually changed things. First, I tracked every dollar, not to restrict myself, but to see where my energy was going. Second, I learned new skills online, even when I was exhausted from 12 plus hour shifts. Third, I built a digital system that started paying me daily, not from hustling harder, but by leveraging automation. You don't have to start big, you just have to start differently. Reframing broke into building. Being broke taught me patience, creativity, and perspective, things most people overlook. Once I stopped shaming myself for where I was and started asking, what can I build from here? Everything changed. Because being broke doesn't mean being broken. It's just a chapter, not the whole story. Look, if you're ready to take that same step I did to stop managing your struggle and start building your future, go to getdailypayments.com, and I'll link it in the description below. That's where I show you how to build a digital business that earns even when you're off the clock. And if this message helped, comment below. I'm done just surviving.